the closest color to like white. If you have white, use white. But actually, I'm gonna have you use black. I'm going to be doing a smoky eye. My nose. Open it up now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I would not recommend getting your nails done dead before you do a makeup tutorial. I hope I can cut this part out. Whew. I had a lot of You did not see that. Okay. Here it goes. Okay. Now, use black